you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a box for February. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so February's up box just arrived and I'm getting glitter all over my table. So there's going to be obviously some glitter in here because it's coming out of the box. I got glitter protruding out of the box. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what this month brings. They always curate their boxes so good with the theme. So I'm so excited to see Valentine's Day month and what is in here. So let's go ahead and get this opened. All right, okay, there's the culprit. If you can see, oop, there's the card fell out. All the glitter that is, yep, all the glitter that's on there, yes. And it says XOXO on the sticker. And then this did come out, so that must be the theme, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna carefully cut this. So, oh boy, hold on. I don't want all that, I don't like glitter. Let me carefully just kind of curve this under because it's already making a nice little mess. Okay, so I kind of folded the ends back and then that is what you see on the inside. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have this month. So like I said, the first thing that already came out was their card and it says, welcome to your love covers up box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first thing that's right on top, and there's glitter throughout the entire box. So it says, above all, love each other deeply. And there's that. And this looks like it might be like a little journal book. Let's see. Yes, so it just has all blank pages on the inside. And then there is the illustration on the front of it. Very pretty. So we have a journal with all blank pages, so you can do whatever you would like with that. Then we have, here is the strawberry and cream white chocolate truffles, perfect for Valentine's Day. I actually bought the same exact one for my Valentine's Day giveaway that I'm doing. So we have great taste. Okay, and then now we have is a, here's a Hershey's chocolate marshmallow heart in king size. Definitely Valentine's Day if you put some candy in there. So this box has seen a little bit better days, but this says strawberry cheesecake, red rose, caffeine free, is this tea? 18 tea bags, strawberry cheesecake. It even grabbed some of those. Okay, so since this is already kind of open, let me finish opening this so we can see what the tea bags look like on the inside. It says 0 calories, and that's what they look like right there. So strawberry cheesecake, 0 calories, herbal tea, natural flavored, sweetened with sativa. So I can't wait to try that because I love strawberries and cream. Ooh-wee. Definitely Valentine's Day theme for sure. So I'm so excited to try out that tea. And then, hold on, I'm trying to keep this glitter to a minimum. Okay, so let's keep going. So now we have, it says Q. So I guess question, what are 5 ways I'm going to practice soul plus self-care this month? So I guess you can answer that and try to come up with 5 different things for the month to practice self-care, because definitely we all need to take care of ourselves at the end. We're the only ones that can. So this glitter is too much. Okay, so then now we have, is this the smallest little reusable bag I have ever seen? This is a simply adorable. It says happy bag and it looks just like a reusable shopping bag, but it's so tiny and cute. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest bag ever. Look how freaking cute is that. Happy bag. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I'm definitely going to use this for something because that is just the cutest. Look at that. And then it has that design on the both sides, and then the back is the same as the front. And then there's the inside. Isn't that just the cutest little thing? Oh my goodness. And it says this bag is made from 80% recycled plastic bottles. And there's the company right there. That is crazy. That is so cute. Okay, so now we have is, hold on. We have this candle. It says, love is berries and cream. Light my candle co. 7-ounce soy candle. And it looks like it has little, like the little candy things that you put on top of like cookies or whatever. The little icing things. Ooh, that smells really good. And this could probably be a hair thing as well. This looks just like those little no crease hair bands for your hair that's on here. I think you can use that for your hair when you're done. That's just what I'm going to assume. There's a single wick. And a lot of you guys are like, when you hold the candle, I try to smell. I'm not trying to make you smell it. I'm trying to show you the wick. If it's 1, if it's 3, if it's standard, if it's wooden, that kind of thing. That's why I show the inside of the candles. But that smells really good. It smells like berries and cream. Like, it's really, this smells like strawberries and cream right here. So that is definitely perfect to go with your strawberry and cream tea. Okay, so now we have is a Nescafe blend and brew. And this looks like it says 0. So this is like a little coffee. That's good because I always drink a couple cups every morning of coffee. So there is that right there. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so there's something in this little pouch. How cute! It's like a little locket. It says, love is self-care. This is a bath bomb in black raspberry vanilla. So that's a bath bomb. How cute. Okay, you guys, so now we have is a green bubble gorgeous, sugared black raspberry vanilla, whipped blend of organic butters, body butter. I'm like reading all this stuff like, okay, what are you? So here is a body butter. And let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells just like blackberry. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. And I got it, I think, on my nose. I just tried to sniff so much, I stuffed my nose in there. I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Blackberry vanilla, yes. Okay, so now everything is covered in this glitter. Okay, so now we have is a raspberry vanilla whipped sugar scrub. It even has glitter underneath the plastic. Okay, so this is the raspberry vanilla whipped sugar scrub. So you have a raspberry vanilla and then you have a black raspberry vanilla, 2 different whipped sugar scrubs. Then we have is a pair of socks. These are super cute. They're all pink with little blue hearts on them. So I'm glad there's blue hearts because blues are my favorite color. And these, to me, I can use year round. And I like these kind of socks. So we have a pair of socks. And then there's a few little items that are back here in the back of the box. It says, you're the best. Oh, and then on the back of the card, it says a whole bunch of things that I guess you can just check off when you give to somebody. So there's like a whole lot of things on the back that goes over absolutely, excessively, pretty, really, selfless, super, totally, like generous, awesome, cool, crazy, creative, a whole bunch of different things that you can just check off and then I guess give this to somebody. And so here is actually 3 different ones of those filled with glitter. So glitter is extra. So you have 3 of those. And then here is this card. It has an envelope and it says live loved and it says happy Valentine's Day. And again, it's all those dots, that's glitter. That's not on the card. That is actually just glitter. Oh my goodness gracious. My very, very first box that I unboxed of theirs was all teal. So I was in teal heaven because everything was teal. but it was completely covered in glitter. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And ever since, I have not had anything in it with all this glitter until now. So it's been almost a year and now I got the glitter again. Okay, you guys, so that looks like that is everything that came in this box. Let me just double check. Oh, nope. There's something else that was down here in the very bottom, and I don't know what this is. Oh, it opens up. Okay, so maybe this is like a little book page, like a bookmarker. Okay, I think I got glitter on my nose. Holy moly. Okay, so this says I love you with little hearts on it, and I'm going to assume this is like a bookmarker. So let me see here. If you were to just like mark one of your pages. So that's what I'm going to assume, that it's like a bookmarker. And then let me make sure there's nothing else that's down inside of all of this then. There's a whole lot of glitter going on. Okay, so that looks like that is everything you got. Oh, nope, there's another one. There's another one. This one says Happy Valentine's Day. And it's the same thing, a little magnet with glitter. Oh my goodness. So there's that right there. So that is everything that came in this month's February's box. So going over this again, we have a really beautiful Happy Valentine's Day card with the envelope, so you can give that to somebody. You have the journal, and there are two little bookmarker things here. Let me put this one on the page as well so I don't lose it, because they're just loose in there. So there's two little bookmarkers. There's this little journal book. Here is a really cute little locket bath bomb. You have a box of strawberry cheesecake tea. This really good smelling candle that smells like strawberry cheesecake. We have two whipped soap butter body butters. You have these 3 cards that you can give to somebody to let them know how awesome that they are. You have this little question for the month, and hopefully you can definitely do 5 different things to practice self-care. You have a really cute pair of socks. The cutest little tiny shopping bag, reusable shopping bag. Like, I seriously don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm definitely gonna do something because this is just way too cute. Then you have some chocolate and you have some coffee. Okay, you guys, so if you want to know a little bit more about UpBox, I will let you know right about now. Okay, you guys, so I needed to cut this part out because what I was going to say is actually not correct anymore. And I went to their site so I can screen record it so I can show you guys what you will see, that it will be a part of the video in a little bit. But in doing so, and I'm screenshotting their website, I'm like, wait, that's different. That's different from what I just said. So when I originally just did this, I read from the paper that I printed directly from their website when I started getting this box. And at that time, what I've been saying every box so far is that the boxes start as low as $26.19, depending on how many months you prepay for. So if you were to do like a whole year, that's what it would be. But now it's showing that it starts at $35, and it looks like the normal one is $39 if you just do like by 1 month. And before I was saying 10 to 12 items, and it's actually on Cratejoy, it says 8 to 10. So the item quantity that I've been saying has been incorrect. I don't know when they changed their pricing, so I don't know when this changed, but now it's 8 to 10 items. And I was saying they donate 20% of every purchase to the Jesus Way Foundation. Now on their site, it says that they donate 10% of every dollar made. So there is a little bit of difference. I don't know, like I said, when that changed, but I will now go ahead and update my paper so I have the correct information moving forward. But just so you guys know, this whole entire time, this is the exact pricing and quantity and everything that I've been reading off of. And apparently it changed at some point and I didn't catch that. So I apologize. This is now the new pricing. So it starts as low as $35 and you can use UpBox 50 for 50% off your order, but it has to be on a 3-month subscription, prepaid subscription or more. So a 3, 6, or 12-month prepaid subscription, you can use UpBox 50 to get 50% off your order. And yeah, I will link them down below, and now I'll finish what I was saying before. And UpBox is simply an encouragement in a box. We are passionately providing products with purpose for Christian women. Our mission is to encourage every woman's Christian journey in a meaningful way with monthly, captivating, and inspiring themes and boxes filled to the brim with small batch, handmade lifestyle goodies like candles, lotions, scrubs, and jewelry. Every month you'll get the captivating Christian theme. They'll have a 5x7 poster card, which that would be this right here. New orders ship out immediately, and then they ship all reoccurring subscriptions by the 15th of every month. They ship with the courier service that offers tracking and insurance. So I will link their site down below. And again, their code is UpBox50 to get you 50% off. And I believe it's a 3-month subscription or more. I do believe that it needs to be at least a 3-month subscription to use a 50% off coupon. And that is everything about them. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Definitely comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? What did you think of the theme? What did you think of the items? Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew, out.